Sometimes you can have one fret that's popped up, and if you don't have to do the rest of them, then here's an easy method that you can use to fix one fret at a time without even taking the strings off. I'm Dave with Stringing It Together, and let's dive in. So typically your first line of defense is going to be a hammer, and I have a video that explains exactly how to do that with a simple technique that you can use, but in this case I'm going to skip the hammer altogether and go straight to the glue, and I'll show you why in a second. So here's my loose fret here, and I mean I could tell it was loose from looking this way just because I could see the gap in there, and it's just one side of the fret, it's not the whole fret. So, and you can tell whether it's going to seat properly if you push it down and it doesn't rock, and then you gently lift it up and it rocks again. That tells you that the fret's going down and then back up without the barbs in the fret biting into the wood. So to fix that, I'm just going to put glue on one side of that. So I just loosened up these three strings a little bit here, and you can use whatever you want. This is just what was in front of me to hold the strings up, but you can just stick something in there, a piece of doweling or whatever works fine, or a chisel, whatever. Okay, so next thing you're going to do, and the tools that you're going to need, is a razor blade and some very thin super glue. Now I'll put a link to this one in the description. You can get it on Amazon. It has to be the super thin stuff so that it can wick down into the crack of the fret. Better to do it not on top of your guitar like I'm doing here, but you're going to pour this onto the razor blade, and then you're going to use that to just dump it into the fret. Don't need much, just a little drop. And that'll wick down in there. And then you're going to use your fret rocker to just hold it in place for about 30 seconds. Now I don't actually see any spill out there, but if there is, you can use the scraper. Manage to get underneath the strings there and scrape very lightly towards the fret. That'll scrape any excess off there if there is any. And then if there's a little bit this way, you can just gently push this against the fret and then roll it out, and then that'll get any extra in there. I don't think there's any left actually, so that's fine. So then you can check it. Now the next step is leveling it off. This is a little tool using a prism that I made. It's I use it now to clean up the marks from the three-corner file, and you know that it's perfectly flat and level. So it's just a prism with sandpaper on it. I made another video for it, which I'll link to as well. Here's a quick and easy way to glue a fret or deal with one fret that's popped up without taking the strings off. It takes about 10-15 minutes. The only difficulty with that is the actual leveling off and crowning with the file. It's easy to go too far or to make mistakes. And if you have more than one fret, then I highly recommend downloading my free course, Foolproof Fretwork. It's specifically designed for people who have never done a fret level before, and that'll teach you how to assess your frets like we did here, glue them down with a jig that will make things faster if you're doing all of the frets, and then the level, crown, and polish using sort of a special technique that I created. So you can go to the description below and get that, put in your email, follow the link, put in your email, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed that quick tip today, and I'll see you next week.